Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install Firefox on Amazon Firestick device. This is very simple and step by step video for every Firestick user. Make sure to stay with me till the end and that you don't miss anything. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to press remote home button for 3 seconds, and here as you can see settings option, then click on it. Now find here my FireTV option by pressing remote navigation right key. Once you have find my FireTV option, then open. Now click on developer option. Scroll down apps from unknown source and press select button on remote. A message will appear on your screen. Now select turn on. Apps from unknown source has been enabled. Go back to home screen by pressing remote home button. Now here what you have to do, you need to click on search icon above the menu. Now type here Firefox. Once you have typed Firefox, then suggestion on below Firefox search, then click on. Now click on Firefox blue app, then click on download button. After download Firefox TV, then click on remote home button. Now here again press remote home button for 3 seconds. And here as you can see apps, then click on. Now here as you can see all installer application in Firestick. So I am opening Firefox browser. So use this method, you can download Firefox browser on your Firestick device. So I hope this video is really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.